There are certain lighthouses of universe which are rotating somewhere emitting high amount of electromagnetic radiation. These rotating neutron stars are also known as pulsars. From Earth, pulsars often look like flickering stars. On and off, on and off, they seem to be blinking with a regular rhyme. But the light from pulsars does not actually flicker or blink. And these objects are not actually stars either. So what exactly is a pulsar? Well, let's find out. First discovered in 1957, pulsars are spherical compact objects that are about the size of large city, but contains more mass than the sun. Scientists are using pulsars to study extreme state of matters, search for planets beyond Earth and solar system, and measure cosmic distances. Pulsars also could help scientists find gravitational waves, which would point the way to energetic cosmic events like collisions between supermassive black holes. When a massive star with 2 to 3 times the mass of Sun explodes, it forms supernova. They just don't have enough mass to form a black hole. These medium mass objects give rise to neutron stars, and some of these can also become pulsars or magnetars. So putting it simply, pulsars are not really stars, or at least they are not living stars. Pulsars rotate many times a second and are super dense objects emitting a powerful blast of radiation along with its magnetic field lines. Neutron stars are typically about 22 to 24 kilometers in diameter, but they can contain up to twice the mass of Sun. A sugar cube size bit of material from pulsar could weigh about 1 billion ton, that is same as Mount Everest. The gravitational pull on the surface of neutron star could be around 1 billion times stronger than that of Earth. Also, pulsars are highly magnetic. They have magnetic fields which ranges from 100 million times to 1 quadrillion times stronger than that of Earth. Pulsars spin because the star from which they are formed also rotate, and the collapse of stellar material will naturally increase the pulsar's rotation. The slowest pulsar ever detected was spinning at 1 rotation per second, while the fastest known pulsar was rotating hundreds of times per second. Pulsars can radiate light in multiple wavelengths, from radio waves all the way up to gamma rays, which are most energetic form of light in the universe. But what makes a pulsar radiate? The answer to this question remains still mystery to most of astrophysicists. Although many believe that pulsar emissions are powered by pulsar rotation and its magnetic field. When a pulsar forms, it has the most energy and fastest rotational speed. As it releases electromagnetic power through each beam, it gradually slows down, and within 10 to 100 million years, it slows to a point that its beams shut off and the pulsar becomes quiet. Pulsars are one of the fascinating things present in the universe. They help us search for gravitational waves, probe the interstellar medium, and even help us find extrasolar planets in the orbit. Pulsars act as a beacon to help navigate around the solar system as well. On NASA's Voyager spacecraft, pulsars were used as a navigation beacon to help form a map for traveling. So in future, we could not rule out the fact that pulsars can help us voyage deep into the universe.